You talk about physical action. We've heard some rumors about a united force, an intervening body away from the United Nations structure, something from this region. Are you talking about a force which could intervene in Gaza from this region? Is that an option on the table?
If you're talking about this region, so I think it's the recent Arab interactions and the Arab League. I think they've already talked on these lines, some sort of combined security force type. Why not? What's wrong in that? And according to their own capacity, on strength, they should create some mechanism, not for aggression purpose, but for peaceful purpose, for stopping the aggressor, for stopping the occupier, for stopping, somebody who just doesn't listen.
And where does a nuclear-powered Pakistan stand with that?
Nuclear-powered Pakistan obviously would stand as member of the Ummah, will discharge its duty.
What does that mean?
It means we ourselves believe that this is a deterrence which we never intend to use. We never used it. We have no intention to using it. It is only a deterrence. So, but Pakistan is having a very large, known, very effective army, very effective air force, very effective navy. I mean, many times bigger than Pakistan in terms of conventional weapons, because the both are nuclear is equal, no matter how small country or how big country you are. So we proved that even conventionally we can beat if we are challenged.